Welcome back to our video. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Whistle Creek survival kit and a sardine can. Picked this up off of eBay. And yeah, let's get into it. I know Kogan Hand, or however you pronounce it, has their own survival kit in a sardine can. I've never really seen this one around, so I thought it was cool to grab. I believe it was only like $17 or $16 from the website. Here's the little packaging again. There's a company, Whistle Creek. But yep, here's our survival kit in a sardine can. See a couple of the items you got in there. Here's some rattling around in there. Let's see. Pop that seal. No hiss. There you go. I think it didn't bust or anything. Okay, looks like they have it bound. Nope. So starting off, we have a little plastic bag. Let's see. Looks like it might have a actual This survival kit contains more than 25 items, all of which have primary and secondary uses. Gum ingredients, water purification, all your items, your first aid, and note paper at the bottom. It's full. Put that over here. Next up, you have a paper clip. I don't know why I blanked on that. It's been a while since I looked at somebody else's company's survival kit. Here, you have an imprint from the paperclip. You just have a single little sheet of duct tape, which is pretty good. It's useful. It can be used for gear repair, fire starting, and just first aid as well. Probably the idea for them. Here, we have some antibacterial ointment. Or Bactolinin ointment, some off-brand stuff. Next, we have an alcohol prep pad. Aminofen, probably either not amoxicillin, but maybe ibuprofen or aspirin. We have a packet of iodized salt. We have a single pack of Lipton C. You have a booklet, matches, Jesus. Sorry guys. Of course you have your little plastic bag. Use that for water containment. For nutrients, we have a Tootsie Roll. I believe this is either what is this? Let's see. Okay, this is a fire starter. This has a weird scent to it. But there's your fire starting cube. I call it energy cube in there at first, and then like it's a fire starter. It's kind of a throw off. Here's your whistle. I'm gonna blow hard. Just want to see if it worked, because there's nothing really. It's no ball. Here we have a pack of Domino sugar. A single piece of Wrigley's gum. Wonder if it's juicy fruit. We have some thread from a sewing kit. Oh my. As well as a very small button compass. I like this. This is very nice. And it does work as well. That is very cool. So tiny. Oh goodness gracious, I'm gonna break it. Next, we have a straight razor. We're not gonna pull it out. You know what it looks like. It's a razor. Look, it's yellow in the box. I got a red one, which is cool. It's good so you can see it if you lose it or drop it in the wilderness. Here we have a Band-Aid, of course, for first aid. Oh. We have a safety pin. And that's just a piece of the fire block. And next and last, we have a fishing hook. A very small one. And only a singular one. Let me know what you guys think of this kit in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.